Hello viewers, somebody requested that we make okra soup. He wants to learn how to prepare okra soup. So we have our recipes here. This is isam, periwinkle. We have fresh ugu leaf. We have fresh uziza leaf. We have our chopped onions. We have our okra, pepper, salt, cubes, crayfish, dried fish with other chopped meats, and then our palm oil. In our heated pot, we are adding 2 cooking spoons of palm oil. We add onions. And we now add our okra. I love to stir fry my okra. We have stock water from the meat. We now add pepper, add crayfish. You can add them in no particular order. You now add your meat chewables. Add the periwinkles. Add salt, your seasoning cubes. At this point, I'll add extra water. So okra being a vegetable, you don't want to cook for long. Just allow it a few minutes. And you now add your vegetables. We now have our fresh ugu we want to add. And again, we now add uziza. Uziza is optional, but I love to add uziza leaf. It gives it a whole new taste. Beautiful taste. Beautiful. You should try this. So there you go. So that's your okra soup. It's done. If you like it watery, you can add some more water, but I like my okra thick. And that's it. So just give the vegetables a few minutes and it's all done. So our soup is boiling and that is the cue. It's done. You want everything fresh so that you can get all the nutrients. My light is off and then I can now dish. I'm not so hungry, so I'm using a very portable plate for soup licking only. Testing. And then so to eat my okra soup. This is my food dance for my okra, as requested by the person that asked for the okra soup. So we did the dance. Like, comment, share this video. Let's test it. Wow, cameraman, get the okra closer. Very close. Close, close, close. Very nice. Let's try this. Try this. Hot. A little spicy, but it's good. It's enough. Watch.